Oké, als het goed is. Sorry, I need to talk in English, of course. I'm just checking if this is working. Let me take a look. Everything should be working, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. I did get a message. Sorry, I need to talk in English, of course. Yeah, so it looks like everything is working properly. Alright, awesome. Let me just take a look over here, see if the audio is working correctly. If I'm not mistaken, let's take a look. Okay. Well, what's up, everybody? And today I'm okay. Today I'm making a horror game. Yeah, I'm making a horror game. So I'm just gonna clean some of this stuff up. So I'm making a horror game. So let's just get started. I'm making a new project using Unity, of course. And I figured, it's October, might as well start working on some horror games. So let's just give this a name. Let's just call this horror game. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna make. But yeah, let's just get started on our project. Maybe I should just hide this. There we go. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, then leave them in the chat. I'm once again not quite sure what I'm gonna do. I don't have too much time, not just today, but just in general, because I will have I have a whole bunch of school stuff that needs to be done. But that's that's something for future me, I guess, for later this day. Plus, I'm gonna be away the last week of October, which means I need to finish the game and make a video about it, because I will be making a devlog. And I will need to have this finished before like October 23rd, I believe. And I will upload it on Halloween. But yeah, this is taking quite some time to create the project. And there we go. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm gonna make. I was thinking, well, obviously 3D. I'm not the biggest, or the best, I should say. I'm not the best 3D modeler. So I'm probably gonna need to resort to like models from the internet, but that's fine. The thumbnail that you guys probably saw is also from the internet. I just saw that I had like 2 viewers and then they both went away, so let me just check if everything's correctly. The best, I should say. I'm not the best. Yeah, okay, it's working correctly. I don't want any loops between in the audio. Why is this not responding? Okay, this is not working. I just need to reboot Unity real quick. 1 second. Here you can see my secret projects, which I haven't worked on in a month. I know, I'm not that consistent, but whatever. So I have some ideas. Like I said, I have no ideas, but since then I've had some ideas. I'm thinking about something in like a hotel, where it's not really abandoned, but I had this like idea from one of the other games that I made. Let me just go to my itch.io page. So, oh, that's a can. Let me place that there. So it's this one. So for those who haven't played this game, you go to like, which you can, by the way. Maybe I should put a link to my game somewhere, my games somewhere. But you go into like this weird, completely white world. I'm thinking maybe you can go into like a hotel or really just any building, and then everything is normal, and then you have like a nightmare, so it's scary, and then you go into the elevator and you end up in this like alternate dimension or whatever, alternate reality. But I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. I do want a little more like gameplay focus, not just a walking simulator, which this game was, to be honest. But yeah, let's see if Unity is working now. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's remove this. So let's see. I think I'm just gonna start by making like, or I could make something similar to. I want something original, but it doesn't need to be too challenging, because I only have like 7 days or something, or like 10 days to make this game. I'm not doing a game jam or whatever. I just don't have that much time. But yeah, I still want something that's relatively like original and a little challenging to make. So maybe not something that's just walk, you know. But I do think like I'm not sure. Maybe it could be like a game about, yeah, well, like expanding on that, like that lore of that wide world that you see here might be fun. Um, I'm not quite sure yet. Maybe we can do something like a Five Nights at Freddy's type game. I'm not completely sure if that is feasible in such a small amount of time. I honestly don't know. I'm just not that inspired yet on any fun ideas. Like, this game was pretty fun, right? I mean, the video got a lot of views, and I think it was relatively scary. You had like the monster and stuff from Mixamo, I believe, because I wanted like a creepy suit guy, kind of like Slenderman. Um, so that was fun. Yeah, but I'm still I'm just brainstorming now. Let's go to Sketchfab, and let's just take a look at like monsters. That was a very weird thing I saw there. I won't be showing restricted right now because I'm live streaming. So if I just search for monster, yes, I know that this is going away, but whatever. I'm just using it for now. Like, this is the monster I use in the thumbnail because it's a really sick monster. I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at him. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at him standing there menacingly. Shepman, I've used some of his models before. Like, he's really good. What the fuck? What is this? What is this? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I shouldn't be showing that. Why is that not restricted? That's awful. Um, I really shouldn't be showing that. YouTube, please don't remove this. Please don't remove this. What if it's like where that you're like locked in a prison? I've thought about making like a bunker type game before using like these types of capsules. I believe it was actually this one. Actually, no, it wasn't. Um, but I don't know. That was kind of boring, I guess. I'm just looking through this through all of these models as like inspiration, I guess. Like, look at this. Look at this toilet. That's just, this by itself is horror enough. You know? Like, what the hell? This is just gonna give you like all sorts of diseases. Um, but yeah, like I'm not sure what I want to make. I don't have any viewers right now. I'm talking to myself, which means that you guys can't give me an idea. You can't. There's Siren Head. Let's take a look at Siren Head. That's actually a pretty good Siren Head, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, I'm not gonna make a Siren Head game today. We could do something like a survival-ish game. You know, I believe in Breaking Bad, Hank says something about like a summer job that he had about chopping down trees or something. Maybe we can do something like that. Maybe you're just a hunter who is getting stalked. That could actually be fun. Now that I think about it, we could use something like this, and you're like a hunter. Wait, maybe I should like write this down somewhere. Well, I'm live streaming, so whatever. It's all stored, or it's all recorded anyway. Maybe you're like a hunter, and you have to, well, hunt through the forest, and then you see weird things, but nothing happens, and then at night you get woken up or something, and you need to like either hunt whatever monster there is. Like, what is this? This guy, Shepman, like, he's got some sick stuff, but it's pretty, you know, sick. Um, what was I saying? Like, you have to hunt, but then a monster starts hunting you. So there's actually some gameplay. I don't know if that's too ambitious for if that's too ambitious for 10 days, but I definitely can do something like that, you know? That would actually be pretty fun, I think. So we have to make like monster AI. Obviously, the player's AI. We need to build like a map. I think the monster AI will be the biggest part, and then you can also hunt the monster. But I don't want you to be able to actually kill the monster. Maybe make it like he has infinite health, or maybe something like that, or maybe he's like he can regenerate or whatever. Because obviously I still want it to be scary, right? Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Maybe I will do like a snowy setting, but I'm not sure about that one. yet at least. Let me just get started on making something. Let's just make a player controller, right? I believe I have some code from another project that I can use, because why not reuse that? I'm also like studying computer science right now, and we have to make like a couple of games using Monogame. For those who don't know, which I didn't know what it was. Monogame is like a sort of is like a framework made by maybe Microsoft for the original Xbox. Let me just create a capsule for now. We have a bean. There we go. Move him up. Move the collider. Let's just make some scripts. I'm gonna start programming already. You know, I love programming. Everybody loves programming. Create folder. I'm gonna make another folder. Let's just make a player controller. I never know from the top of my head how to do anything, so I'm just gonna look at my finished games and take a look at the projects, and maybe I can use this one from my other horror game, which I never made a devlog on. I don't know why. I just didn't feel like it, because it was like a lot of the same, right? But look at how shitty everything here is. I can swear I'm not even monetized. Why wouldn't I? This is not the right one. It's a first person controller. Let's open it up in Visual Studio as well. I want to open up both of them, by the way. I'm just gonna copy and paste this code, because why not? You know, I've used it before. This is honestly not great code, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I should like make it better. Yeah, you can have the permissions. I don't need this. I honestly also don't need this. I just need Unity Engine. And I don't have any audio right now, so let's just get rid of that. And the rest, we need to get rid of this. I do plan on implementing audio later, but it's fine for now. And this should already work. Am I using delta time here? Yes, I am. I'm gonna remove that, because I use that in my call gem, where I multiply like by delta time, delta time, which makes it frame rate independent, which does work properly, but it makes it very like choppy. It doesn't work properly. That's not what you. That's not fun. You know. Set the center higher. Put this at like what, 85 degrees or something, and set. I do want there to be running speed, you know, because if you're gonna be chasing like animals. I'm thinking now that this is too ambitious. Whatever, it's fine. I can probably make two. It'll probably be fine. I'll just make it so that if you get too close to animals, they'll just run away or something. Okay. Anyway, we have everything here. Let's set look speed. Well, that's fine for now. I'll just have the players set that themselves. Can we walk? Can we jump? Can we run? Yes, we can do all of that. Okay, great. Okay, cool. So, I want there to be hunting mechanics. So, what mechanics do I want? Obviously, I want shooting. That's the most important one. So, I think I'm going to just use this sniper rifle. Well, maybe another one, actually. I'm not sure. How do I make a scope? I actually don't know. Wait, let me just look for like a hunting rifle. I'm not feeling like spending money right now, so I do want like a free asset. Something like this could work. Maybe this. What's this like? Non-commercial use. Okay, this one is fine, but it's not what I want. There are a lot of hunting rifles. Maybe I should just look for like sniper rifle. We could also put in like, make it like you can hunt, and then there's like a store, and then the people at the store get attacked by the monster or whatever. That could actually be fun, now that I think about it. I can use this, but this is too low quality. What about this? Wait, didn't I look at this one? Yeah, I already looked at this one because it's great. Okay, we got some new people in the chat. So I'm making a horror game, and I'm thinking about making like a game where you have to be like a hunter, and then all of a sudden a monster starts stalking you. I know it's not super original, but it's, you know, it could be fun. And right now I'm just looking for models because I'm not the best 3D modeler. I can also look at like the asset store. Wait, let me go to the asset store. My Wi-Fi also isn't great, but it could definitely be because of honey is a scam, by the way. Never use honey. I don't know why I have it installed. But what I was saying, I'm not sure what I was saying. What was I saying, guys? I don't know. By the way, if you're a developer, make sure that you get your free assets. So go to select sale, publisher of the week, and then you can use this code here to get this for free. What's up, Chris Gaming? So yeah, you can do that. I don't think I've actually claimed this one, but you can get free assets every week. It's not like the Unreal Engine asset store where you can get like a whole bunch of free assets, but still. Anyway, let me take a look at like a sniper rifle, because I'm looking for. I can also just look here. I don't know. I'm not looking to spend money right now. I'm sorry. I'm cheap. I'm a Dutch person. Um, this looks pretty fun. This looks like it's well fun. This looks pretty good. I should say. This looks pretty sick. Let's see if it supports everything. It probably should, right? I don't see anything. Well, it's 2017 or higher. Well, I'll just check it out. Whatever, it's fine. I definitely can just use one of in here, but whatever. I'm logged in. Yes, I'm logged in. Let's add this. Accept. Now that I think about it, maybe I shouldn't do this while live streaming. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's import this. I feel like whenever I'm making like a 3D game, it gets very messy, everything. So I'm just gonna make like a models folder, which will store, well, it'll store all the models, obviously. It also has a demo scene. I'm just gonna go and see if I can upgrade these. Are they using the standard? Yes, they are. Let's upgrade this. Proceed. This should work. It did not work, I believe. Did it work? I'm not sure. Did this... Oh, right, this is the model. And this is a prefab. Oh, well, it is working. Okay, it is working. So if I drag and drop this in here, let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna get rid of the beam, by the way, don't worry about it. Actually, wait, no, I'm gonna keep it for now, just so I know where the front is. So I'm gonna fix everything, don't worry about it. Is there right? Yeah, okay. There you go. So I want a couple of like tools for the player to have. Do I want arms? I'm not sure. Do I want arms, guys? Oh, nobody's in the chat again. I'm just talking to myself. I'm just gonna call this like sniper. I actually want to make another child. Call this like weapon. Or like item holder, that's better. Item holder. And then this will be centered. So we can rotate this, and then this holds the individual position. Everything. This thing has a animated controller? What? That's crazy. This thing actually has any built-in animations? It does not. That's too bad. So there's also no... Ooh, that's kind of a bummer. There's no, like... This thing isn't sliced up, you know what I mean? Is it because it's... Like, why is that? Let me see. Oh, I can't open this. Well, it's not sliced up. Okay, that kind of makes this a bad model, because that means I can't make any proper animations with it. But it's fine for now. Wait, actually, what's his name? Like DJ Mason or something? I shouldn't look in here. Oh wait, I was looking at the right place. DJ Mason. Let's just go to his Sketchfab account. You know, I really should learn to 3D model, because Jesus Christ, this is just awful. You know, well, he's always got some pretty fun stuff. But let's just continue with this one for now. So, I think it's gonna be like... Wait, does this work properly? Yeah, it works. Okay, it looks kind of odd. It looks kind of odd, I'm not gonna lie. But it's fine. I'll just create like I want the player to have multiple items, you know, because maybe like bait or something, or like a trap, so animals that go there are like trapped. I'm not sure. But yeah. Crash Gaming says, I am making a running game. I have a problem with the coin script. It's like game. Yeah, so So if you have a variable, this isn't a tutorial by the way. I'm just helping you right now. After this, I'll continue. If you have like a variable like this, or you have like a private int called coins, this is only this instance. Like whenever the scene is loaded, everything is unloaded, which means that all of these variables are unloaded, including the coins. So let's say this is like 2, then it will, or so let's say this is like 2, and then you set it in code, you set it to like 3, and then you go to another scene. Then it means that this script is unloaded, which means that this will then lose its value, and then when it's reloaded again, it will return to its original value, which in this case is 2, but if this doesn't say anything, then it's 0. So you can't store variables like that. Instead, you will need to use some sort of like storage solution, which is very easy to do using player prefabs, player prefs, I believe it's called. I do think I actually have a video on that. Let me take a look at my channel. Wait, I should probably just do this on my PC, but now it's too late. Let me take a look. If you guys hear the sound outside, there are like people like drilling or whatever. Okay, I don't think I actually have that video. Oh, I do. You can check out on my channel. It's a player prefs tutorial. But you need to use player prefs. I can also just show you here, by the way. If you have like a variable called coins, so you have like an int called coins, and we'll set it to like 2. You can store it like this. So you'll do like player prefs. You can get whatever value it is, and you have the key here. So that's the name of the variable, or the storage thingy. I'll just call it coins, and then you'll do the default value, which in this case is 0. So this is how you get it. So you can set it to like int current coins equals this, and then you can also set this. So you can set this using player prefs dot set int coins, and then the value will be the second argument. So in this case, it will be my coins, like this. But player prefs are very easy to use, and they're pretty reliable. But if you're storing multiple things, like an entire game scene, which you can even do using player prefs, but just when you're storing important stuff, then I recommend not using player prefs. But for like storing a score between scenes, then it's fine. So to sum up, you can store, you unfortunately cannot store variables in between scenes. So you need to use a storage solution like player prefs. And you can check out my video on it somewhere on my channel for a more detailed explanation. Maybe I'm going too fast. I don't know. I need to continue making my game. Okay, let's make another script. I'll call this like weapon controller. I'm not sure if that's a proper name. I really should make like a video on proper coding practices. Do you guys think that would be fun? Or at least not necessarily fun, but like useful? I don't know. But yeah, this will be the sniper. So I'm making, let's see, I'll just call this sniper, and then I'll call this like model. So that way I can use this as a model. You should never do it the way I did earlier. So you should always have your logic on like an empty object or like a parent object. And let me just reset this so it works properly. And then move this up here like this and down. I'm gonna improve everything, by the way. So for people who haven't seen my explanation, I'm making a horror game, and you're basically like a hunter, but then weird stuff starts happening. You need to hunt like animals and stuff, but then weird stuff starts happening, and you will get hunted by like a monster. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I don't have a ton of time, so I'm probably not gonna do anything crazy. But that's what I'm gonna do for now. So let me use, I think raycast shooting is the best way to do it. So let's just create, we need a couple of things. First I'll create a float called shoot range. It's always best to make your variables very descriptive, you know. Shoot range. Actually, wait. I'm only gonna use this weapon, right? So that means I first want to make like a zoom. I think. I'm gonna turn this into an FPS game. Watch me. I'm gonna turn this into Call of Duty Zombies or whatever. Nah, I don't have that much time. But yeah, I'm just gonna redo what I just did because why not? And then I think I also need a shoot delay, or I just make it, yeah, I'll make a shoot delay. So I'll make it a shoot delay and then a private float called current shoot delay. Oh, and it is going to be a semi-automatic weapon. Obviously, it's going to be a semi-automatic weapon. Should the player have limited ammo? I think they should, right? I think that would make it much scarier. So I'll just say max ammo and then current ammo, whatever. And then on start, I'll say current ammo equals max ammo. There we go. Then on update, we're gonna check if the player is pressing the button. So I'll just first create a raycast hit called hit, and then I'll check if. So we're using raycasts, which are basically like these invisible rays, like lines, like lasers, kind of. And then I'm gonna create. Wait, I need to do this properly. How do you do this again? Let me create a private camera called main camera. By the way, just because I'm live streaming doesn't mean I won't be looking up stuff. Just know that, because I'm not that good of a programmer. But yeah, I'll just I'll grab like half of the main camera, I think. Maybe I should just do main camera.forward. I'm not sure. Wait, let me just take a look at like Unity raycast documentation. That always works. I always forget how this stuff works. So it goes, okay, right. So it goes origin, direction, distance. Okay. So it should. Wait, don't I have an FPS game that I was working on that I can like borrow from? Let me take a look. Here, there we go. Wait, is this actually like working? I don't. Maybe I should just use this one. Yeah, this is actually looking like what I needed. That's really funny. How was I doing it here? Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it like this, but I can obviously use this stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna use this stuff. Whatever. I'm also gonna grab our renderer. So how did I do this? I don't need this. I don't need this right now. I do want this, but I already have that. And I'm gonna grab this one for now. Let's just grab this. I'm just stealing for myself, guys. I'm stealing for myself. Don't worry about it. I'm stealing for myself. Where do I check this? Oh, I check it in there. Okay, I'm just gonna repeat that. If input dot, should I do like get? Wait, should you do like get axes? I'm sorry, guys. I haven't used Unity in a long time. I actually haven't, but I use button presses. Well, I'll just use the get mouse button for now. Get mouse button down for now. So this is the left mouse button, and I'm gonna check, and our current ammo is created, and sure. I'm gonna call the shoot function, which I haven't created yet. So let's create a private void called shoot. There we go. And in here we're gonna do all of the physics calculations. So I'm not gonna do this. Oh wait, and I also need to check if our current shoot delay is less than or equal to 0. And then I'm gonna say current shoot delay minus equals delta time. So this counts down, and then in here I'm gonna set current shoot delay equals shoot delay. And I'm gonna say current ammo minus. Okay, and then we're gonna do everything else. So what did I do here? I used a coroutine. That's actually pretty smart. How did I think of this and not now? That's actually embarrassing. I'm not gonna lie. But maybe I should just copy and paste this code if I'm gonna use it anyway. I mean, I made it myself, so it's fine. Right? I am not using this, so I'm just gonna say current shoot delay equals shoot delay. I'm gonna set it to like a very small number because it's like a sniper rifle, right? So it shouldn't shoot that quickly. So I say very small number, but like not super small. I'm not sure. I'm gonna say current ammo minus minus. This is just gonna be shoot range. What else do I have here? Yeah, deal damage, obviously. And I'm not gonna use... Wait, maybe I do actually want to use that. For, like, stuff. What do I have? It's a hit force. Okay, so I can I'll just combine all of this. Make it a bit more clean, like this. And then I'll create a shot duration. That's fine. I'll get rid of this. What else do I have? Hit force. Right. Hit force. This should be shoot range, not weapon range. And this should be hit force. So, hit force. I'll set it to like 100 or something. That's probably far too much, by the way. I'll set it to 50. And then I'm gonna implement this later. Yeah, okay, that's... Oh, yeah, well, obviously this isn't gonna work. Let me take a look if everything is working correctly. Everything is working correctly, I think. Okay, so let's set all of these variables. Shoot duration should probably be a bit bigger. Max ammo. I'll set that to like 5 or something. Shoot range should be like 100 or like 150, and this should be like... How often should a sniper rifle shoot? I don't know anything about guns. I actually don't. Maybe like once every second or something. And the line origin is gonna be... I'll just call this bullet origin, in case I need it for something else. It should be at the barrel of the gun. I don't like to use these actually. They don't really help me in my opinion. Is this okay? Like, that's one of the worst things about working in Unity, is like these tiny adjustments. That's always like kind of difficult. By the way, I see that some more people have joined, so what's up everybody? I'm making a horror game where you're like a hunter. I know it's not very original, but you're like a hunter, and you're you're hunting, and then weird stuff starts happening, and like a monster starts chasing you. And I only have like 10 days to make this game, so I'm probably gonna be live streaming every day. But I also have like a paper I need to finish. I have an exam next Friday, and I need to make an assignment for school. I need to do an assignment for school, which is probably the most time-consuming thing I need to do the next like week or something. But I also want to finish this before Halloween, because I only have, like I said, 10-ish days, because I'm going away for like a couple of days at the end of October. So I'm not going to be in the country on Halloween, which means I don't have that much time, and I also want to make a devlog about this. So maybe I'm overshooting, but I can probably make of something. So Jesus, I'm sorry, I can't talk. I'll just be fine. I'll be fine. Okay, we need a line renderer. Yeah, we need a line renderer, and I'm gonna make it much smaller. So how did I do that? Wait, let me just take a look. Well, I'll just get rid of this for now. It's fine. The line renderer. Okay, makes sense. I'm gonna use a material, so let me just make a material. What color should a bullet be? Like gold or something? I'll just make it like this. I'll just call it like line renderer. Matt, that's horrible. That's a horrible name, but whatever. It's fine, it's fine. Let's throw this on here. Give this a different color. That works, right? Yeah. Okay, so maybe like something gold. That's not gold. What is this color? What is this? This is horrible. This shouldn't exist. And it should be much thinner. Let me set the width to be something like 0.05 or something. Like that. And I hear everything here is fine. Okay, then I'll disable this. And let me just build some blocks. Some cubes. Okay. I'll make this a bit bigger. I'm actually gonna give this the same color, just so you can actually like see what's happening. I've just started, by the way, so, you know, I don't have that much progress yet. Let me take a look if I get any errors. Oh, I immediately get an error. What error do I get? Shot effect. Why is this giving me an error? 48. Is the line renderer? What are you talking about? Oh, because I didn't assign it. Right, makes sense. Makes sense. I'll set it here. Line renderer equals get component. Line renderer. There we go. Now it should work. Let me just reload this real quick. There we go. Oh, this actually works. But I do think the delay is far too slow. Oh, and my ammo is... I ran out of ammo. Well, at least that's working. So let me set this to like... wrong one in here. Let me set this shoot delay to like 0.5 or something. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna create or like add a rigid body to this one just to see if that works properly. Oh, it actually works. Look at that. That's so much fun. That's so funny. I ran out of ammo again. I need to add animations. I need to use a different sniper rifle because this one can't be animated, unfortunately. So I'll do that in a little bit, but for now I'll just make a reload thing. And I'm never using this. This can go. So if input dot get key down. I totally should use the new input system, by the way, but I'm just not feeling like it right now. So yeah. And here I'll just start a coroutine. Or like is reloading or whatever. So it doesn't reload multiple times. There we go. Start coroutine, and I'll start it like reload. I don't know why I was thinking so hard about that. By the way, if the guy that was asking me for help, Crash Gaming, if you're still watching, did my explanation help you? I hope it did. I hope it did. And then I'll create a reload time. I'll place that like, well, I'll just place it down here, I think. Float reload time. There we go. Then I'll just wait, do it return new, wait for seconds, reload time, and then I'll say current ammo equals max ammo. And we totally should play an animation here. Play animation. And like play visuals, because well, just play effects, whatever, it's fine. It's not important, it's just for me. Oh great, it helped you. That's awful. That's awful. I wanted to say that's awesome. Okay. And if we aren't reloading, because otherwise we shouldn't be able to shoot. And let me also do like a debug.log because I don't have any animations yet. Reloading. Let me actually place it up here. It's not that important, it's just for debugging. Finished reloading. There we go. And if we press that button, but we can also do... So I don't really want to turn this into like a separate if statement, because if you're out of ammo, you should be able to like automatically reload. So like this. Will this work? Like this maybe? I think this will work, because then it's either this or this. And this stuff needs to be true. I think that's correct. Is it? I'm not sure. Let's check it out if it works. So we should be able to shoot like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are automatically reloading. But I have my reload time set to 0, so I'll set it to like 3 seconds. And if I press R right now, it works! Okay, I think it works. Yes, it works. And then if I press this button, I can shoot right now. So I'm gonna add animations in a little bit. That reload time is far too long, by the way. Maybe because I'm just not seeing what's happening. What if I... Oh, I don't have any ammo left. Do I? I do. Okay, it looks awful. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna make this better. But at least we have a shooting system that works properly. And I'm gonna set this to something much higher, to 50. I'm just gonna check this out for now. I know I'm all over the place. Look at that. That's so much fun. That's so funny. I'm bad at English. Sorry. What if I set this to like an absurdly high number, like 5,000? Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. There it goes. What if I shoot it again? I should make like a crosshair, but I'll do that in a little bit. And shoot range can also be bigger, right? Oh, and I need to do... There are so many things I need to do. What the hell? Okay, how long have I been live streaming for? I can see 41 minutes. Jesus Christ. I've done like nothing in 40 minutes. Oh, that's actually kind of true, to be honest. 1 second. I'm just need to check a text that I got. Okay. Well, anyway. Oh, and no problem, by the way. Crash Gaming. Do you have any ideas for my game? Like, obviously I just started, but I'm making a hunting horror game. Do you have any ideas? I will look at and see if DJ Mason has any sniper rifles, because this guy is amazing. He makes some amazing stuff. Like, look at this stuff. I'm not sponsored or anything. I just think he's amazing. You know. I'll definitely keep this one in mind. And this is my game, by the way. Play this if you want to. Oh wait, he actually has a sniper. No way. He has a fire. Oh wait, we can check it here. Yeah, just. Oh, this is actually awesome. Can we use this? Or. Okay, well, if this has the CC attribution label, that's awesome. I should not forget, but which like creators I take stuff from. That's awesome. Maybe this guy has some other stuff that can be cool as well. Like I know I've just started making this game, but we should I should definitely add lore, right? Make like dark lore. What is this? I swear, artists are some of the most disturbed people. What is this? Why are there so many hands? I'm not judging or criticizing. I'm just like, what? This is my genuine reaction to seeing this. There are more hands on the back. That's very interesting. Okay. Well, I don't have a monster yet. Maybe I should like make the monster right like all the way at the end. Like that could be. Or like I mean like review the item. The Jesus Christ, I can't talk. I should review the monster all the way at the end. I think that's good. So we can build some atmosphere, you know what I mean? Okay. Let's drop this in here. Yes, let's fix this. I should be able to use this, like use the animations. Maybe I can't use the animations actually. Well, it's fine if I can't use the animations. I just need. I just wanted the model. Oh, I can't open this right now. Obviously. Let's drag and drop this in here, and call this like. I don't actually like calling this model. I just call it like visual, and I love nesting stuff in hierarchies. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's be honest. This looks great. DJ Mason is such a legend. He makes such cool stuff. Okay, let's make like arms material. Drop it on here. We should have, there we go. Does this work already? That actually works already. Look at that. Are there, yes. He provided everything. The man is a legend. Let's fix this. Anything else? yeah, roughness, but I never know how to use that because I've never looked into it. Like, that should already look better, you know? Let's move it back a little bit. Maybe like this. Like, that looks fine, right? As somebody who spent like thousands of hours playing first-person shooter games, I should know. I should know what does and doesn't look good. Sorry. Let's take a look. Does he have? He does have a animation. He does. How can I extract the things? Like, this is like the whole visual aspect of games is something that's still very very new to me, I would say. I need an animator controller. Wait, let me just make a animations folder. I like to keep everything organized, as you guys can see. And I'll call this weapon. Maybe I shouldn't spend so much time working on this. Wah, it's fine. What was that sound? Wah. Wah, it's fine. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'll just call this idle. So he has provided... Wait, I can actually get rid of this. He has provided an animation. I'm really curious to see what this is like. Let's go to the animator. Go to our visual. Go in here. Let's see what this... Let's take a look. It's probably nothing, to be honest. Or maybe it is everything. Shoot. This guy is such a legend. This is amazing. Look at this. He provided literally everything. Okay, so I just need to split this up real quick. So the idle one. Okay, wait. So. Wait. Oh. So let's just zoom in. So I think this part, this first second, is free. What do you mean, is free? Oh, I can't. Oh, wait, I can. Sorry, Krish Gaming, what do you mean with is free? Weapon shoot, I'll just put this in here. Oh, the weapons, or the I didn't grab everything. Wait. There's much more. I grabbed not everything. I didn't grab everything, I mean. There we go. Now I should have everything. I think I do. I probably do. Let's take a look at this. So where does it stop? So is this like the default? I think it is, right? Wait. Yeah, it is. Okay, so... Oh yeah, it is free. It's from DJ Mason. This guy is a legend. Go check him out on Sketchfab. Oh, he's Belgium. That means we can talk. Well, unless he's like from the French part of Belgium. I need to contact this guy. I need to contact this guy. I love his stuff. If I have like a couple thousand subscribers, I'll contact him. Which will be like another year or 5, but whatever. Okay, anyway, I want this row, everything here, and I want to copy it over here. Wait, what's happening? That's very weird. Oh wait, no, actually it's supposed to be like that. Okay, so we should go, like idle should be nothing, right? Maybe I should move a little bit. I should probably look up like some real animations. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. So let me just call this shoot, and this does need to be able to go back. Or wait. This should be any state transition. Then it can go back like that. So we need the reload animation and the... Actually, we don't need this, but whatever. It's fine. As exit time, no, and no transition. And this should also be exit time of 1 and no transition. This should work, right? Let me take a look. Wait, I do want to make sure this isn't looping. So this one should loop, this one shouldn't. Otherwise we'll just be shooting forever. And I can also look at this one to see exactly how long it takes. 125 frames, so that's like I'll just do 2.1 seconds. This is already looking awful. I should definitely clean this up. Yeah, let's just clean this up already. Place this here. And this all belongs together. So I'll call this like logic. And then here I'll do something about, or like shooting. It shouldn't be called logic, it should be called shooting. Or shooting logic. Shooting logic, that's perfect. And then here I'll, let me do like this. There we go. And I'll call this like effects, because I also want like sounds later. Look, that already looks much better. Okay, now, and since I'm using an animator, let's make an animator called wait, no, you should never abbreviate animator like that. Okay, and then I'll say animator equals what's on our current object, I think. No, it's on a child, right? Yeah, it's on a child. Okay. Equals get component in children animator, and I'm gonna use like something. Oh wait, I also need to do zoom. Right, I forgot. Oh no. Okay, how am I gonna do that? I should okay, I'm gonna think about that. Yeah, I'm gonna think about that. I'm gonna do animator dot set trigger. I got it shoot, right? I think I did. And now it should work. And then I'm gonna do the reloading animation in a little bit. I'm gonna grab this, throw this in here, and then I can get rid of this. Actually, let's get rid of this. And this. I should also, well, I can just do this. I'm not explaining anything, but do you guys really want me to explain stuff? Like, do you? Let's see if the audio is still working. I should also. Yeah, it's working. Sometimes Unity gives you these errors. And I have no idea what they mean. So I'll just remove them. As long as nothing's broken, it's probably fine. So the reloading shouldn't work, but the actual shooting should. Look at that. That's awesome. But I do think it should be faster. What do you guys think? Look at how awesome that is. How many bullets do I have? Oh, I forgot. Oh, I haven't updated that. Right. It says reload time. Oh, it's at 0. So let's set this to 2.1. Now the reloading should also work, right? Well, it shouldn't, but it should. It shouldn't, but it should. No, but it doesn't. Oh, it's because it's a shoot delay. Jesus Christ. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. The shooting should be longer. And then I'll just immediately do the reload because nothing is going the way I was planning it to go. So... Huh? Wait, what? I think this one needs to go. We can move this one frame to the left. Like that. No, it should look better. It's exact. It should be 2 seconds. 2 seconds. There we go. Okay, then I'm gonna do the reloading, like I said. Go to this one. Like from here. To here. There we go. Then I'm gonna create a new animation, weapon, reload. That's honestly kind of funny that it's quicker to reload than to shoot, but I can probably just slow this down, right? So it's 2 seconds to reload. I'm gonna make it a bit quicker to shoot. Make it like 1.5 seconds. If that looks okay. It does. Okay. There we go. Let's make this not loop. I should probably do this in a better way, but it's fine. If you do you guys hear the sound from outside? Because I can totally fix that if it's a problem. Wait, what did I do here? I just didn't do that. I should talk more. I probably should talk more. So right now I'm just right now I'm just doing the weapon animations. That should do it. So let's go to our sniper and then set shoot delay to 1.5 and reload time to 2 seconds. I'm gonna set bullet origin to be on the actual correct place. This is always very difficult. This is one of those things that's like, I know you can use these like tags or whatever they're called. I don't mean tag, I mean this, like an icon, but I'm not a big fan of that. There we go. That actually looks pretty good. Let's reload. That actually looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I love DJ Mason. This guy is such a legend. And if we keep shooting... Yeah, it just... Wait. So... That's not working correctly. We should get rid of this. Because right now we click shoot and then immediately it reloads. So here I'm just going to say if current ammo is less than or equal to 0, then I'm going to reload. So it should reload at the end of the animation. Because otherwise we're going to shoot and then we're going... Wait, no, that's actually correct. I'm sorry. I shouldn't... it was correct. Because obviously you're not going to reload... And then... Or do you? I don't know how guns work. I'm sorry, guys. Do you guys know how guns work? I'm just gonna take a look at what this looks like. Let's take a look. Let's see. So normally when you shoot, this happens. Wait, what? I don't know what's happening, guys. So we shoot and we immediately reload. Yeah, that's fine. Can we reload while shooting? Does that not screw anything up? Can I shoot now? No, it's actually pretty good. It's done pretty well. Okay, 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 that looks pretty decent. Okay, now for so I'm thinking working on logic is the most important thing right now. But that does mean that, like, if we do logic first, if we do all the logic first, then it's honestly going to be kind of boring. At least not for me, but as a viewer, because I'm just going to be programming the entire time. So, well, Chris, you're the only one watching me right now. So what do you think? Should I do all the logic first and done and then work on everything else, like level design, or do, like, at the very least look at making this level look a little bit more like scary, I guess. Just place me in like a mini forest. I personally think we should do logic first. Look at how beautiful this is organized. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna create private pool called is ADS. Wait, no, you should never is aiming down sights. You should never abbreviate variables. So we're shooting from the middle of the screen, right? Yeah, we are. So we're shooting from the middle of the screen, which means that we don't need to change anything about shooting logic. I think all I'm gonna need to do is create a separate camera to switch to. I think that's, or maybe I should just do this. Oh wow, just like that we got a bunch of new viewers. So for everybody new watching, I'm making a horror game where you're a hunter. I know, very original. And you're just hunting animals, but then spooky stuff starts happening, and there will be a monster that chases you down. Can I knock this over myself? No, I can't. But I can using the sniper rifle. What do you guys think of the sniper rifle? I didn't make it myself, but I did download it myself. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do it with 2 cameras. So it looks like we're actually aiming down the sights. Because if I just grab the visual, right? So is this ever actually moving? That's important to know. It doesn't look like it. That's good. Like this, the fact that this right here isn't moving, that's good. Sorry, because that means we can move this. Shouldn't it be like 0.5? It should not, apparently. Oh my god, okay, that's awful. Okay, I lost all my new viewers again. That's kind of sad, I'm not gonna lie. So what if I place this at 0.25 and then place this at minus 0.25, so it's exactly in the middle of the screen, and then I can move it like this. Wow, you can look inside of the gun. Look at this, this is pretty awesome. Why is there so much detail here? That doesn't make any sense. But as I was saying, we can move it like this, and like this, and then you go into the zoom mode. So let me do that. So it should be a different animation, right? Let me do the logic first. So I'm gonna create first I'm gonna create a separate thing. You know that Garbage video? I don't know if you guys watch him, but Garbage is also a game developer, and he made a video about, well, what I'm gonna show you right now. So he made a video about this, where this happens, but you don't see it happening because like the gun is rendered in a different universe, blah 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 blah. Yeah, very very funny, Mr. Garbage, but it's really not that deep, to be honest, because all that happens. By the way, no hate to him. It's just that I think he overreacts, or not overreacts, but I think he just what's it called, like over traumatizes it. Like, I don't know, man. I'm sorry, I don't know. I'll just stop talking. Okay, let me make a... Wait, do I have a layer set up? I don't, right? No, I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna call this item layer, or items, I guess. Which I'm gonna put this on, and I do want all children. And then if I go in here, then you can see that if I set, where is, oh here it is. Remove items, and then I copy and paste the main camera. So what if this is the main camera, right? And this is the item camera. Item camera. And then this shouldn't... What if I do it like that? That should work. Orthographic or perspective? Sorry, my background type. So I'm thinking really hard right now. So let's set this to items only. But this should have one. No. There, I'm missing something. What am I missing? Overlay? No. Is it orthographic camera? No, it's not an orthographic camera. So I'm occlusion. Is this it? It's probably not, right? Yes, I am 18. I am, in fact, 18 years old. How did you know? This is not what I want. I think it should be orthographic, because I want this to layer on top of the other one. Oh, I'm doing it on the wrong one. Oh, Jesus. Wait, I should put this on like -2. No, on 0. Wait, I don't know. Well, I'll just put them on both on -1. But this is this, did I put this on orthographic? Why am I struggling with this? Why am I struggling with this? Jesus Christ. I swear I'm sort of a game developer. So what about this? Is this working properly now? It's not. Why is it not? Oh, why is this looking so weird? Why is everything so weird? Well, first of all, it should be placed up here. It shouldn't. No, it shouldn't. Maybe I should just start over with this. Everything is so weird. Look at what is happening. I'm gonna start over. I'm just gonna do Ctrl Z until I have no more item camera. Like that. Okay. That's great. What I was trying to do here was... Wait, let me just go in here. See, how long have I been streaming for? It doesn't say here. Oh, for an hour. Okay. So Why do I not know how to do this anymore? Like, do I actually not know how to do this anymore? So I think like 20 is fine, right? It probably is. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this one because it shouldn't change any of the logic, right? So if I go in here, call private float, I don't know, default FOV, which also do 60. This could definitely be an integer, by the way. And then a assumed FOV, which will set to like 20. And then I'll private like float target FOV. And then in start, I'll say target FOV equals default FOV, and I can also totally initialize it like this. And then an update. Wait, actually, let me. I also want the speed, right? So, okay, the private float call blurb speed. Usually like 20 something is fine. And then I'll say main camera. Field of view equals math.lerp. Is that a thing? It is. Okay, so from our current field of view to target field of view, I am not using ChatGPT for making a game. I do have it active here, in case I want to ask questions. But I'm not using it right now. You can definitely use it, by the way. There's no shame in using ChatGPT, but do be aware that he does, or it, very often gives wrong code that doesn't work properly. Just know that. Okay, anyway, then I'm gonna say if input.get mouse button down like 1, I'm gonna say is aiming down sights equals not aiming down sights. This is a horrible way of doing this. I can just do this. Target FOV equals is aiming down sights. If so, I'm gonna say assumed FOV and else target FOV. So this is a pretty sick looking thing. So what this does is it sets target FOV. This is basically like an if statement where it checks if this is true, then it's gonna be this, and if it's I did it wrong. It should be default FOV. But if I need FOV, where if this is true, it's gonna be default FOV, and else it's gonna be zoomed FOV. Okay. Let's see. I should go in here. Okay, let's take a look at what this looks like. That actually works. That actually works well. I honestly wasn't expecting that to work immediately, but it makes sense, you know, that it works immediately. That's actually pretty funny, or that's actually works pretty well. I'm not gonna lie. You can just zoom in like that. I should use like a zoom overlay, right? Wait 1 second. So if it's like sniper zoom overlay, can I use this? Probably not, to be honest. I should find one that I can use. This looks sick. Can I use this? Can I? Attribution is required. Well, that's fine. I'm live streaming, so I don't need to write it down. Let me go in here and create like a sprite. What did I do? No, I don't... No, stop. I don't know what I did. I pressed something that I didn't want to press. Okay. Create a folder called sprites. I could go for some sprite right now. We don't have any sprite, I think. Let's throw this in here. That's awesome. They have a thing so I can actually change it. But I can actually use this. That's pretty cool. So I'll just call this zoom. Zoom. No, that's awful. Let's call this zoom overlay. That's better. And then set this to sprite. Wait, what? Is this a... Are you kidding me? Is it not... Wait, what? Is it not an actual PNG? Wait, is it in PNG? PNG? It's a JPEG. I have add I, but I am not write script. I don't have to add I for make game, but I don't have script. What do you mean? Sorry, I don't fully understand. This probably won't work, will it? I don't think this will work, unfortunately. Oh wait, I need to place it on a canvas, of course. There we go. I always like to place those like there. And I'll place this at like sort order 200. What is my it's 16 by 9. Okay. 16 by 9. That's fine. 16 by 9. That's fine. Wow, that rhymes. Am I not seeing anything? Is it because it's a sprite? Yeah, because it's a sprite. Okay. Let's grab a panel. This shouldn't work. Like, I'm anticipating this not working. Yeah, it doesn't. Not properly, at least. Okay, well, that's fine. Can I, like, use a... If I use a background remover, it will probably remove the black, right? PNG. Is this the right one? It actually is! Oh, wait, but maybe it isn't. Wait. Let me get rid of this. It's not. I don't think it is. Let's call this zoom overlay. And throw it on here. Yeah, well, it's not working, unfortunately. So this is 2000 by 1125. Well, what I could do is just kind of brute force this. So what happened? Wait. Let me try again. What if I just... Wait 1 second. I just need to text someone. Thanks you that it's thank you, Krish, that you're saying it's looking good. So if I extend this to be the entire thing, I could definitely use a different sprite, by the way. I just am not doing that. Okay, let's take a look. So what if I so I'm thinking if I make another image and I put it here and I give it no sprite. My name is Lucas. I'm Dutch. You might have guessed from my accent. By the way, Krish, what do you mean with the previous message? You said, I have Atai, but I'm not write script. I don't have. Like, what did you mean by that message? I want to help you, but I'm not sure what you meant. Unfortunately, sorry. Let me just use another one. Can I use all of these for free? Probably not, right? Well, this one in particular, not. So for all the new people, I'm making a horror game right now, where you're a hunter, very original, I know, and then like a monster starts stalking you. And right now I'm working on the zoom of the sniper rifle, so this is what I have right now. Look at this, you can shoot, and you can already zoom in, I just haven't done it properly yet. Oh, I also need to make a crosshair, by the way, a regular crosshair. But I think it looks pretty cool already. And this can, boom, it can be like shot away. I already tested this, but you should be able to. Yeah, you are. Okay. Anyway, I'm not talking properly. Let's take a look at. I'm looking for an overlay because I don't feel like making one myself. So I'm just taking one from Google. Obviously, one that I can use. Is this not the same one? Is this the same one? I'm not sure. Well, I'm not gonna pay $9 for one image in a game that I'm probably not gonna make any money from. Free. So I don't really like any of these. Maybe I should just make my own. What about this one? Can I use this one? Can I actually use this? It's from Fallout New Vegas. Well, then I'm not using it. Then I'm not using it. Maybe I should just make my own. Should I make my own? I really don't want to make my own. I'll just take a look at the asset store. I know I'm lazy, but I'm more of a programmer than a artist. What do I have in my basket? I don't know. I'm gonna check this out later. So if I look for like... No, but wait. If I look for like sniper crosshair. Is this not the one that I just downloaded? No, this is the one I was looking at and I was like, I'm not gonna pay for that. Should I make my own? I'm not sure. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Let's see. Let's use this one. Wait, this is a sticker from Amazon. I'm not gonna sniper overlay. They don't have that. Realistic scope effect. No. Sniper scope. I want like 2D? Too many crosshairs. Is this what I want? Is this actually what I want? Oh, this actually looks pretty cool. And it's free. That's all. I love stuff that's free. I'm a Dutch person, like I said. I love stuff that's free. Let's open this in Unity. So for all the new people watching, I'm making a horror game where you're a hunter. I know, very original, and you need to, well, hunt, and then you get stalked by a monster. But I only have like 10 days to make the game, so it's not that long. Let's import this. This is taking quite a long time to import. What's going on? This is taking a very long time to import. How many things am I importing? I'm getting worried. Wait, maybe I could have done this with like a sprite mask. I don't know if that works in 3D though, or just on UI in general. I'm not sure. I can test it out if this isn't working. It's cold outside. Why am I cold? I don't know. Okay, let's take a look. So we can... Where is it? There we go. This reminds me of the Minecraft mod, like too many items, or just enough items, or just enough items plus one. We have a Hellslayer. Wow. That's awesome. They even have glowing stuff. They even have cursors. We can use this, right? Is there a demo scene? There is, but yeah, it's not important. So where was I? Okay, sprites. Movie. Or did he... Where are these crosshairs from? Can we use this? Well, that's fine. There are a whole bunch of these. Are these the same? Yeah, it is. How are there so many different... This is actually insane, to be honest. So if I like... Wait, let me test something. If I drop this in here, which I can't for some reason, because it needs to be a sprite. And it needs to be 24-bit pixels per unit. Yeah, so that's not working properly. So if I make this black, no. There are a lot of these. Scopes. They even have scopes. And sights. Yes, I am a college student. So these aren't really what I'm looking for. There are so many different ones. Like, bro, I'm just looking to make a zoom. Alright, you know what? I think I'm gonna call it at that. I'm gonna be back tomorrow, maybe tonight, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do some work off camera, but that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Krish, for watching. And